come outside.
Okay, outside.
All the baddies came to dance and all the homies came to vibe.
We gon' vibe.
I know you're tired of being tired. This is more than a surprise. More than words and more than rhymes. We gon' bring it back like George in 1999. The whole world about to come alive. Come alive. I ain't the type to leave my house. I'd rather be up on my couch. I'd rather do a smoke session in the parking lot than at the function. I'd rather be watching BMF and having lunch. I'd rather listen to some G-Funk and go to sleep than to see somebody OD at the club. But my brother called me like, bruh, and I know he know what I love, and I know he know how I get. I know he know I be running my lips. I know he know I be talking my shit. He said, I got a place you can go. He said, I got a place you can slide. He said, I got a place you can ride. He said, I got a place you can be yourself, where the people that'll bring you to life.
Bring you to life.
He said, I got a place you can be yourself, where the people that'll bring you to life. Okay, now this is for the lovers and single folk. If you at home and not out tonight, you're doing the most. So grab your friends and come outside. Okay, outside. All the baddies came to dance and all the homies came to vibe. We gon' vibe. I know you're tired of being tired. This is more than a surprise. More than words and more than rhymes. We gon' bring it back like Jordan's in 1999. The whole world about to come alive, come alive.